How to change the fan speed on any graphics card. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the fan speed for any graphics card, whether it's an NVIDIA, AMD, or another brand using software tools. So the software tool that we are going to use is MSI Afterburner. Search it in web browser and please click the final or the beta version. Once you're done downloading, this is what will you face, and this is the fan speed. So this is where you control the fan speed. If you wanted to change the theme, just go to settings and just go to user, and you can change any theme that you want and just click OK. Once you're done picking, as you can see, I can change the fan speed because I've clicked the A button. And if you are okay with the speed, just press the check button. And beside from the fan, you can also change any you want.